To the President, Sir, we the students of Jawaharlal Nehru University appeal to you to take urgently initiate steps with regard to the incidents that have happened in our university. It has been more than 2 weeks since Najib, a student of first year MSc Biotechnology, has been missing. The incident happened on 15th October 2016 after he was beaten up by a group of students belonging to a particular political group in Mahimanbi hostel of JNU on 14th October 2016. To our shock, instead of making all efforts to find out the student is missing, we have witnessed most shameful and irresponsible attitude from the concerned authorities. In this regard, we highlight to you two important points and request you to immediately take notice of these matters. One, the Delhi police, who are the responsible authority to investigate the disappearance of Najib, have committed some severe lapses in the inquiry which can turn out to be irreparable, considering that the first few days are crucial for gathering vital clues. They are yet to question the individuals who perpetrated violence over Najib and the eyewitnesses of the incident who submitted their written statements to the police and the university proctor. Immediate and regular steps of an investigation such as examination of vehicle entry records in JNU, obtainment of CCTV footage of metro have not been conducted yet by the Delhi police. Apart from these, the call logs, transcripts and message texts of people who assaulted Najib have not been obtained by police to this moment. Clearly established norms have been overlooked or violated in this investigation. Therefore, we appeal to you to immediately look into this investigation. Measures have to be not only taken to make the investigation more vigorous and professional, but also actions have to be taken against the concerned individuals who are responsible for such serious procedural mistakes with respect to the investigation. Secondly, the role of Mr. Jagdish Kumar, the Vice Chancellor of the University, in whole episode has been the most reprehensible. To say he has acted irresponsible in the whole episode is an understatement. His acts have been most inhuman and devoid of any empathy. For Najib, he has directly contributed to the lapses in the investigation, since according to Delhi police, permissions to investigate the campus was denied by him. He has not taken any cognizance of the brutal assault faced by Najib on 14th October 2016, which has been recognized by formal bodies like Warden Committee of Mahimanbi Hostel held on October 16th. Despite the fact that a special investigation team has been constituted by the Home Ministry to look into the matter, the administration has not even written in the summary about the violence on Najib. No statement has issued by the administration condoning the violence unleashed on Najib on 14th October, even after it was recognized by official bodies. Rather, the statements from the administration portray Najib as accused of the entire episode. Even after disappearance of Najib came into the attention of the administration, no immediate step was taken by the Vice Chancellor to file a police complaint. Even basic human courtesy, which is contacting Najib's parents regarding his disappearance, was not undertaken by the University Vice Chancellor. These actions of the Vice Chancellor do not merely lead to sheer irresponsibility but of inhumanity. It is disgraceful that such a person continues to hold the Vice Chancellorship of a university in our country. He has no moral authority to continue in his post, and we appeal to you to immediately initiate proceedings against him.